In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the risk-reward tool in TradingView. The risk-reward tool is perfect for planning trades before you place them. It overlays your chart with a clear visual that shows your entry, your stop loss, your target, and the risk-to-reward ratio, so you can quickly judge whether a setup makes sense. First, look to the left side of your TradingView screen. You'll see the main toolbar with groups of drawing tools. Find the projection icon, and right beside it, you'll notice a small caret. Click that caret to expand the group. This reveals the position tools we need. From the expanded list, choose either long position or short position. Pick long if you expect price to move up, or short if you expect it to move down. After selecting, move your cursor over the chart and click once to place the tool. It will appear with a central entry line and two colored boxes showing potential loss below and potential profit above for a long, or the reverse for a short. By default, profit is shown in green and risk in red, making it easy to scan. You can drag the whole tool to reposition it on the candle or price area you're analyzing. As you drag, watch the labels beside it update automatically with price levels, distance in ticks or pips, and the current risk/reward ratio. This helps you see, at a glance, how small changes in placement affect your trade plan and whether you're meeting your minimum R multiple. To fine-tune the exact numbers, simply double-click the tool on your chart. This opens its settings window. Here, you can edit values precisely, set your entry price, adjust stop loss, and take profit distances in ticks, points, price, or percentages, and define the risk parameters that match your plan. If you prefer specific increments, you can type them in rather than dragging. You can also customize the display so the labels and colors are clear on your background, making the overlay easy to read during live analysis. Your changes apply right away, and the chart will reflect them immediately. That's really all there is to it. Start by expanding the caret next to the projection icon. Select long or short position, click to place it on the chart, drag to explore different placements, and double-click to set exact ticks and risk values. With a bit of practice, this tool becomes a fast, reliable way to evaluate setups and keep your risk under control before you ever enter a trade.